Sage HR Starters. Link Sage HR with Sage 50 Cloud Payroll. Send employees directly to payroll. Let's take a look at creating a new starter. If you haven't already, connect your company to online services through Online Services and Online Services Settings. Work through the steps in the menu to connect your account with Sage HR. To fully connect the services from Online Services, click Import Employee Data. This will check the communication between the two services, ensuring that everything we need to do hereafter runs smoothly. You can create a new employee from the plus button at the top or by using the Add button. Complete the employee's information. Now click Create Account. If you don't need this employee in payroll, you can tick the box to skip for now and fill in the information later. Otherwise, complete the rest of the required information indicated by an asterisk. You can choose from a starter checklist or P45 and starter checklist to complete the additional information. When you're happy with everything entered, click Save. The employee record has a status message indicating that this needs to be approved in payroll with the option for sending a new request if you needed to. Certain bits of information are marked as locked now on this screen and cannot be changed as they're being sent to payroll. Back in payroll, access Online Services and then import employee data. As you can see, we have one starter to import. Had there been any errors with the information entered, this would be flagged on this screen with the opportunity to make amendments. Amendments would be made here through the View More option. Select the employee and click Import. That employee has now been successfully imported into payroll. Next up, we need to pay the employee and generate a payslip. Pay your employee as normal, and when using Upload Online Payslips, you'll need to verify them for online payslips first, and then choose when to send it, on a selected date or immediately. Back in Sage HR, access the company option and then this employee. The pending status is updated because it's been accepted in payroll and a payslip has been pushed up. You can access payslips and P60s and see what was sent through. Please note any changes made in Sage HR will not be written back to payroll, and that will need to be done separately.